Daijahao everybody, welcome back. We got a fantastic video lined up for you. We're just arriving at the Longquan Market here in the Shida area, which is known for its night market and boutiques. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. This is all most everyone, including tourists, know Shida for the trendy clothes and the night snacks. But if you come here in the morning, it's a completely different world. Now, this market is much more known to locals than it is tourists. It's located in the Shida area, which is known for its night markets and boutiques. I have several videos of the area. You can check them out above below. And I've walked through this market area after hours many, many times, but I've never actually been here when it's open. So it's going to be a new adventure for both of us. So let's keep going. FYI, guys, it's called a wet market because the floors are literally hosed down to keep things fresh. It's gritty, it's loud, it smells like seafood and fresh scallions.
好，谢谢。
Now I'll try to point out some of the prices so you can do some comparisons. But since this is much more of a local morning market, there's not as many marked prices. It's more of a verbal type of market. So if you're a foreigner, bring somebody who speaks Chinese, or you're going to have to rely heavily on translation apps, maybe AI apps, to try to get your shopping done.
天天来买，赞美我，谢谢。以前我住这里的时候，比较近。对呗。阿伯，找到来不？
你好，你好。
你好。
你好。And if you're a foreigner and you don't speak the language, don't worry. The locals are very accommodating. Use a little translation apps, just point, and you guys can figure it out. You don't have to worry about not knowing the actual price. They're not going to try to rip you off because you're a foreigner. That's the good thing about being in Taiwan. Let's get into the meat or the main street of the market. This one's got a lot of prices. So the pineapples you see here, that's 90 NT. That's just under $3 US. Here you get 5 ears of corn for 100 NT. That's about $3. I don't shop much, so I don't know all the prices. Here's one of my favorites, a wax apple. These are 120. You probably get like 8 to 10 of those. And that's a little over $3. Here's another one, 4 apples for 100 NT. That's about $3. Grapes, 1 bag of grapes, a little over $3.
怎么可能飞到你这身上贴杯子啊
This is kind of like a buffet. You buy this by the pound. Here's some more. No morning market or night market is incomplete without some underwear for sale. 你好，你好。Oh, these are one of my favorites. Very good. Tea eggs. 你好，你好。Hey, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and hit that hype button as well. It really helps the channel grow. Let's keep going.
来呀，鸡肉吗？
我进来了。
Famous black skin chicken. Different tofus. Residents. Now they're buffet style. Order by the pound.
对，要煎要红水贝哦。
有啊，我脚痛，现在都不出门。
你去就斗啥工无啦？因叫要叫人赶去啊啦。
我无互你，因为我早起上班。
还有嘞，跟老公喜欢虾饺不要拿，黄在吃啊。
好，谢谢。
黄饺吃到大了，那是我家的蛤蜊啊。
So each one of these fish here are a little over $3. This one is closer to $1.75. These are actually fish too. I'm sure they're sold by like the kilo. That's 160 probably per kilo. I see, say. Expert.
一包是150，第二包100块。不要，它是已经穿上过。
All right, I got some kind of sample. I believe it's some kind of fish. That's what I'm sampling right there. Very, very good. Oh, he's gonna make me bui bui. Now I have some fresh ones. Very good. Okay, I was able to figure out those are mini little shrimp. The whole head, shell and everything. They're very, very soft. They fry them up. They're a little crunchy and they're very, very good. So if you're ever here, make sure you get a little snack from this guy as well. Let's keep going. Here's some salmon fillets. This is $4.20 for a piece that you see right here. $4.20, that's about $15 US. Here's some fish heads. They run anywhere from 80 to 150 NT, which is around $1.75 to $3. You see them there? Oh, say shake. Here's some more food to go. This is different pork. This is like pork belly. Very good. How sure, how sure. Beautiful smile. Don't know, this may be that famous restaurant. These clothes you see here, these are $3 US. Most everything in here probably runs $3 to $10 at most. This is prime time, market is full. Another little breakfast place to go. They must be very good because there's a line to wait to order. I don't think that's one of the places that AI mentioned to me, but it's definitely a popular spot. They got a dozen people in line. The menu does feature English as well, so it's very easy for you foreigners. It's got a nice mixture of breakfast sandwiches, omelets, and things of that nature. Let's keep going, guys. Here's some more clothes. Again, 100 NT, that's about $3 US. Again, 100 NT, these are all $3 each. The denim jeans, they're about $12. These are about $10. And even though the price is very affordable, the quality is surprisingly good. It's amazing how well built they are. This is all kinds of to-go food.你好，你好。你好，你好。
来看看哦，好吃。
你好，你好。
你好，你好。
你好吗？
很好 ，I'm fine。
Me too. Zalzit. Zalzit, yeah, how sure. Turnip cake. Very good. You fry it in a pan.
开刀是当天就好。对，那个也有150、100，那个150啊，也有100。哦，对啊，那个要在这里不会买。今天比较多。
Can't live in Taiwan without an umbrella.
还用看哦，而且超轻的在上面，可以买到超轻的。
你好，有什么？
好啊，咱们几位啊？几位啊？
这个可以啊。
今日较济。
啊，我在讲零记哦，零子好吃啊。
It's crazy. In just a few hours, these vegetable crates will be replaced by bubble tea and fashion boutiques. This market is the heartbeat of this neighborhood that most people sleep right through.
Hi, kine.
你好，你好。
来，这个香。
上面有那个洞，所以这是树脂做的，不是雪碧。不是啊。对啊。今天有椰子花，有那个炒饭。是啊，像我现在我煮菜，我其实我现在可以在很好吃。之前都可以吃一个玉米，再加5块的一块。
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Longquan Market here in the Shida area. Till next time, guys, 大家再见. See you all on the next video.